wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best nozzles for pressure washers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. This Sunjo tip set is for the SPX 3000, 4000 and 6000 series models, although there are a couple of exceptions, so you'll need to check your owner's manual carefully. A practical assortment, it'll help you take on all kinds of grime, from mildew to tar and more. They're lightweight and compact and can be swapped out quickly. However, the pieces can't be purchased singly. At number 9, if you're always losing small parts, then the powerfit 6-in-1 changeover may save you some stress, since it has all the spray patterns you're likely to need in one handy device. For your convenience, it offers a nearly universal fit. It's good for soaping as well as rinsing, and includes a forceful 0-degree mode, but it is a bit heavy and bulky. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Karcher spray set offers high quality and useful replacement parts for many of the company's models, including all of their residential gas-powered units. Each order comes with 5, so with any luck, this option should last you a while. They're simple to use and made in Germany. However, they are pricier than many. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nozzles for pressure washers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Tool Daily Turbo is rated for up to 2500 psi, so it can't be used with some of the more robust machines. Nevertheless, its rotating water action helps to clear debris and dirt from surfaces quicker than many fixed spray models. It's a good choice for use on bricks and is made from aluminum and rubber, but it can't handle hot water. Moving up our list to number 6. Although some budget price sets can't take too much power, the dusichin multiple is rated for a maximum of 3 gallons per minute. If that's beefier than you need, it's no problem, as this 5-piece set is also available in other sizes. They're appropriately color-coded and compatible with popular brands. However, the flow can be inconsistent. Halfway up our list at number 5. Created for use with gas pressure washers, the Simpson 5-in-1 offers you a soap sprayer as well as 0, 15, 25 and 40-degree patterns. All you have to do is give it a twist, saving you from continual nozzle changes that can eat up precious time. It's made from metal and plastic and is moderately priced, but it's not as durable as some. At number 4, the Erie Tools Rotating gives you the power you need to take on big projects and features a 3.0 orifice size. Unlike some, it can handle high water temperatures, operating safely at up to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It includes a 1/4-inch steel plug and lets you complete jobs rapidly. However, it does suffer from occasional leakage issues. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're not in the market for anything too expensive or fancy, the Obecome Pack of 5 is definitely worth a look. You'll get the standard sizes for a budget-friendly cost, making them great for casual at-home use or for keeping on hand as emergency backups. They're made from stainless steel and brass and work with quick connect wands. They're good for a maximum PSI of 4000. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nozzles for pressure washers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the AMZ Tool Quick Connecting 8-pack justifies its name by including a pivoting coupler for fast changes along with 7 nozzles. It's compatible with a wide range of brands and designed for wands rated up to 4500 psi. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and includes rinse and soap tips. It's helpful for many types of job. And coming in at number 1 on our list, auto detailers and car enthusiasts will be able to put the Twinkle Star Lance and Tip Kit to good use, as it includes the 5 most common nozzles along with a foam cannon for a more powerful cleaning action. As a bonus, it's surprisingly affordable for the quality. It includes a large 1-liter bottle and brass connectors for longevity. It sprays suds up to 20 feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for nozzles for pressure washers, or simply click beneath this video.